How to install Google Play Store on Hisense Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install the Google Play Store on your Hisense Smart TV so you can access tons of apps easily. Warning important. Most Hisense Smart TVs use VIDAA OS or Android TV. Only Android TV models support Google Play Store. If your TV uses VIDAA, Google Play Store isn't available. Step 1. Check your Hisense TV OS. Press the Settings button on your remote. Go to About System Information. Look for Android TV version. If you see it, continue to the next step. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store app. On your TV's home screen, find the Google Play Store app. If it's not visible, try searching for Google Play Store in the Apps or search bar. Step 3. Download and install apps. Open the Google Play Store app. Browse or search for any app you want. Select it and press Install. Step 4. If Google Play Store is missing, try updating your TV's firmware. Go to Settings, About, System Update. If still missing, your TV might not support Google Play Store natively. You can sideload apps via USB, but this is advanced and not recommended for beginners. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tutorials.